Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are liking my classes. If you are a new viewer, please first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and enjoy the classes. In this class, I have come forward with AHSEC first year, okay, Unit 1. The name of the chapter is Nature and Purpose of Business. Yes, Business Studies first unit, Nature and Purpose of Business. Yes, here we will discuss about different human activity, different forms of human activity, about business, profession, employment. Yes, hope everyone will enjoy. Okay, now the first topic of Unit 1 of AHSEC first year is what? Human activity. We have to know about human activity. Means what human being perform. Okay, human activity means activity performed by human being in their day-to-day life is called human activity. Yes, what we are doing, what our parents are doing, what our neighbors are doing, those activities are known as what? Human activity. Yes. Now, human activity is segregated into two parts: economic activity and number 2, non-economic activity. Yes, economic activity means what? Activity performed by human being in order to earn their day-to-day living. Yes, those activity connecting with monetary aspect, survival aspects, okay, family protection aspects, means which will safeguard our family or to help us in running the family is called economic activity. Yes, in short, what we can say, those human activity performed by human being in order to run their day-to-day life is called economic activity. For example, a teacher teaching in a school, doctor curing the patient, yes, businessman doing certain business activity, yes, now the driver driving a car, yes, those are of what? Economic activity. Now why they are performing? To earn their life, to continue their life for survival. That is economic activity. Next, number 2 is what? Non-economic activity. Yes, non-economic activity means these are also human activity. Yes, but non-economic activity are those activity performed by human being for self-satisfaction, for mental pleasure, psychological aspects, societal service, etc. And there is no any monetary gain or benefit. Why you are cleaning a temple? Suppose you have visited your nearby temple and you have seen it is dirty. What you have done? You have cleaned the temple. Yes, that is what? Non-economic activity. None will come, oh, you have cleaned the temple, take 50 rupees, take 100 rupees. No, our motive is not that. Our motive is to offer certain help to the society. Yes, suppose our brother and sister are sometimes teach us or not. Okay, help in solving some problem. Those are also what? Activity, but non-economic. Brother or sister will not get any kind of fees. Okay, that is what? Non-economic activity. Non-economic activity performed by human being for self-satisfaction. Okay, at the time of flood, helping them. Okay, your society is helping them, or your some group of club who have visited a flood affected area, distributed some food, medicine, etc. That is also what? Non-economic activity. Your motive is to not gain something, is to help the society. That is non-economic activity. Yes. Now, in simple word, we can say human activity grouped into two categories. One is economic, another one is non-economic activity. Next topic we shall study about types of economic activity. This is very important. Yes, types of economic activity. How a human being can earn or live their life. What are activity human being can do to continue their life for survival. Yes. Now, economic activity is segregated into three sectors. Number one is what? Business. Number two, profession. And number three, employment. Okay, these are the three ways how a human being can what? Run their life. Yes, for survival, these are different economic activity they can perform. Number one is by doing business, he can live his life. Profession, doctor, engineer, like that, he can run his life. Or employment, working under someone. We are going in detail. Okay, in short, what is what? Business, profession, employment. Yes. Now, first term is what? Business. What is business? Okay, business are certain activity connecting with production, purchase, sell, distribution of goods and services with a motive of earning profit. Means, what is business? Business is the economic activity under which human being, what they do? They produce something, sell something, purchase something, okay, distribute something as of what? Goods or services. That is a business. We have seen our nearby stall. He is selling biscuit. Someone is selling is what? Chips and all. Someone is selling what? Medicine. Yes. Why he is doing that kind of thing? That activity is known as what? Business. Okay, some industry, suppose Tata is producing goods, that is also business. Why? Because it is deal with certain kind of production. Someone is selling the thing, someone is transferring. Swiggy is also a brand. What is his business? To distribute the thing. That is also comes under business. What is business? Activity performed by human being connecting with production, purchase, sell, distribute, etc. And their motive is to what? To earn certain kind of profit. That is the meaning of business. Yes. Number two is what? Profession. For the term profession, we can understand that profession, for being a profession, what you have to do, you have to first acquire a specialized knowledge, and then you have to provide the service. What is the definition of profession? Those economic activity which are performed after acquiring a specialized knowledge or skill by rendering service with a motto of earning fees. In business, what we have got? What is the motto? To earn profit. And in profession, what is the motto? To what? Earn fees. Okay, why a doctor is looking special? To earn a fees. Why a lawyer is looking his client? To get a fees. Means in profession, motto is fees. In business, motto is what? Earning profit. Okay. Now, under third one is what? Employment. What is employment? Employment is another economic activity where human being or people perform certain work under someone or for someone. Why he is doing that job? For what? Benefit of the owner. He is working someone or working under someone. Yes. What is the definition of employment? Those activity under which people perform for others and get remunerated in return in the form of salary and wages. Yes. What is the basic motto of employment? To get wages or salary. Why a person is working in an office? To get salary. Why a laborer is working in the factory? To get wages. That is the meaning of employment, working under someone. Okay, this is all about business, profession and employment. In the next class, we shall do different characteristics of business, importance of business. Okay, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.